In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. This is perfect when you need to share an entire message, headers, formatting, and all, so the recipient can open it exactly as you received it. We'll do this in Outlook on the web. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted, sign into your account. Once Outlook loads, make sure you're in the mail view so you can see your inbox and folders. Next, start a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens the Compose window. Add your recipient in the To field and, if needed, include CC or BCC. Then write a clear subject line so the person receiving your message understands what you're sending and why. You can add a short note in the body to provide context, like what the attached email relates to or what you need them to review. Now for the key part, attaching an email to your new message. With your inbox visible, find the email you want to send as an attachment. Click and hold that email, then drag it into your draft. You can drop it anywhere in the Compose area. The header or the message body are both fine. You'll see a brief visual cue that says attach or shows a paperclip as you hover over the draft. Release the mouse to drop it in. Outlook will attach it as a .yml file, which preserves the full content and can be opened in most email clients. If you need to include more than one email, you can select multiple messages in your inbox using Shift to select a range or Control or Command on a Mac to pick individual ones and drag them all into the draft at once. You'll see each one appear as its own attachment. If your Compose window is covering the inbox, make sure both are visible on screen. Resizing your browser or using Outlook's pop-out Compose can make the drag and drop easier. Also, give the attachment a moment to upload. You'll know it's ready when you see the attached file name under the subject line. Before sending, double-check that the correct email is attached. Remember, the attached message may include the full conversation and any files it originally contained, so review for anything sensitive you don't intend to share. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email and the attached email message will be delivered together, so the recipient can open and view the original exactly as you received it. That's it. You've attached an email to another email in Outlook quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.